Want to take your iPhone photography to the next level in 2025? From stunning anamorphic shots to professional-grade zoom, we've rounded up the best iPhone lenses to elevate your creativity. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Moment Tele 58mm lens. This is the top telephoto lens we tested, delivering 2x magnification for excellent portraits and stunning landscapes with the right composition. It scored highest in center sharpness and color rendition, offering a dramatic improvement over the stock iPhone lens. Pairing it with iPhone's telephoto lenses further enhances the effect. While it requires moment cases, these cases are attractive and ensure easy, perfectly aligned installation. Made of durable metal, the lens is built to withstand everyday bumps and scrapes. However, it's not without flaws. The lens struggles with flare when shooting toward the sun, creating noticeable artifacts. Corner sharpness is also lacking, which can be limiting unless used as a creative effect. For sunlit scenes, the moment-wide 18mm lens is a better choice, performing well under bright rays while retaining versatility. Number 2. Ailun 3-in-1 Clip-On. This is a budget-friendly choice for those exploring auxiliary lenses. At a low price, it's a great way to test the waters. Among the 3 lenses, the macro lens shines brightest, outperforming pricier options with consistent average to above-average results. However, it's not without flaws. The macro lens sometimes gets stuck on the mount, occasionally requiring pliers to remove it, frustrating when switching to the fisheye lens. That said, installation is generally quick and fits perfectly over an iPhone XR's native lens. The optics quality reflects the budget price, with noticeable image shifts as the lens rotates. If you're willing to spend more for superior performance and variety, the Xenvo Pro Lens Kit is a standout alternative worth considering. Number 3. Moment Anamorphic Lens. An anamorphic lens creates a wider aspect ratio without cropping, achieved by compressing the image horizontally with its unique glass shape. This design also produces distinct, long, thin flares, adding a cinematic quality highly sought after by filmmakers. The Moment Anamorphic lens is our top pick for this category. With a 1.33x horizontal squeeze, it delivers sharp images, minimal distortion, and vibrant, slightly warm colors. Its signature flare is intentional and enhances its visual appeal. Installation is easy with Moments cases using the M mount. However, this lens comes with a steep learning curve and price. The squeezed image requires de-squeezing via Moments app or third-party software. Switching orientation involves adjusting the set screw, which can be tedious. Despite these challenges, the lens offers exceptional results and is a top recommendation. Number 4. Xenvo Pro Lens Kit. It delivers impressive performance and versatility, though its size is a notable drawback. Installation is straightforward, as it fits directly over the iPhone's lens without requiring a case. The kit includes a 2-lens system, where the wide-angle lens screws onto the macro lens, enabling an easy transition between modes. Color rendition and sharpness are excellent, and it handles backlit scenarios better than many competitors. The macro lens, while not the most powerful we tested, effectively magnifies most subjects and proves versatile. However, the lens is bulky, with its storage case measuring 3.4 inches by 4.7 inches by 2.5 inches. It features a 52mm filter thread for added functionality but sacrifices corner sharpness. For a more portable option, the Ailun 3-in-1 Clip-On is a solid budget-friendly alternative. Number 5. Moment-wide 18mm lens. It excels in image quality, especially in backlit conditions. Its center sharpness, color rendition, and vignetting are outstanding, with impressive flare control that rivals the native iPhone lens. In most scenarios, flare issues were minimal and hard to replicate, making this lens an excellent choice for challenging lighting. Installation is seamless thanks to the moment case system, which ensures a perfect fit. However, edge sharpness is disappointing, with noticeable softening and distortion towards the frame's perimeter. This lens is also expensive and requires a proprietary moment case, which adds to the overall cost. While the cases are slightly bulky, they have a premium look and feel. Despite its drawbacks, the moment-wide 18mm lens is a top choice for photographers seeking high performance in wide-angle shots. Which is the best iPhone lens? If you're serious about photography, the Moment Tele 58mm lens stands out for its premium build, sharp image quality, and versatility. Ready to transform your shots? Check the links below.